Hi everyone, this is Shikha from Bollywood Mantra for you. Today we have organized this intimate Haldi ceremony for our client in her backyard. I used these beautiful pearls, garlands to decorate the arbor. We used yellow as a theme and color coordinated everything around it. We used fresh sunflowers to complement the decor, and on the fence added contrast by using these decorative wall hangings. The centerpieces incorporated the sunflowers and floating candles. The staircase is traditional and we use flowers and garlands to decorate it. We have traditional seating for the bride and groom and with these color coordinated cushions and a havan court. I hope you like my work. Contact me for all your upcoming events and I look forward to hear from you. Please do give me your feedback. It's valuable for me. I and keep it simple and elegant. That's what styling is all about. Thank you so much. Till next time. I'll see you soon. Bye.